Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most luxurious and futuristic vehicles of the new generation, the 2026 Lexus, a car that blends elegance, technology, and unmatched comfort. So let's jump right into the full experience. Scene 1, exterior overview. The Lexus stands in a modern studio, rotating slowly. Voiceover. The 2026 Lexus brings a completely redesigned body style. The front features the signature spindle grille, but now sharper, wider, and more aggressive. The LED headlights are ultra-thin, giving a premium, futuristic look. The side profile includes smooth curves, a floating roof design, and bold 21-inch alloy wheels. Lexus has upgraded its aerodynamics, reducing drag and increasing efficiency. Scene 2, interior luxury experience. Camera enters the cabin in a smooth slide. Voiceover. Step inside and you immediately feel the true Lexus luxury. Soft touch leather, real wood accents, and ambient lighting create a high-class environment. The 2026 model introduces a fully digital cockpit, a massive 17-inch infotainment screen, and a 12-inch digital meter cluster. The seats are ventilated, heated, and include massage functions, making every journey comfortable and relaxing. Scene 3, technology and features. Close-ups of screens, sensors, buttons. Voiceover. The new Lexus comes loaded with advanced technology. You get an AI-powered voice assistant, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 360-degree camera, and a premium Mark Levinson sound system. With smart navigation, OTA updates, and gesture controls, the 2026 Lexus is designed for the future. Scene 4, engine and performance. Car driving on a clean highway with drone shots. Voiceover. The 2026 Lexus offers multiple engine choices, including a powerful hybrid system. With improved fuel economy and smooth acceleration, this SUV delivers an exceptional driving experience. Lexus's new suspension system ensures a stable and quiet ride, no matter the road condition. Scene 5, safety and autopilot. Camera shows sensors and radar animations. Voiceover. Safety is always a priority. The 2026 Lexus includes Lexus Safety System Plus 4.0, featuring lane assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic braking, and level 2 semi-autonomous driving. Whether you're in the city or on the highway, the car keeps you protected. Outro final shots. Cinematic close-ups of lights, wheels, and the Lexus logo. Voiceover. The 2026 Lexus is more than a vehicle. It's a statement of luxury, innovation, and comfort. If you want power, style, and next-level technology in one package, the 2026 Lexus is built for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing automotive content.